And the first thing that we're going to talk about is the significant content processing error rate reduction. So the job to be done for this one was that bulk file uploads just work, or I think more broadly that all file uploads just work. As a user, you don't have to worry about, is my file going to pass or, upload successfully in process? Is it going to fail? We just want it to work every single time. So Parker created this Notion doc here where he took notes when he did an investigation and collected the 1,000 most recently failed content uploads, aggregated the reasons for the failures, and basically tried to figure out what error was happening the most and how do we fix it. So there's this table right here. I'm actually going to post this link in chat if anybody wants to take a look. He created this table here, which listed the error, the number of occurrences, an explanation, and then how it was solved. So usually this is like a PR link or something like that. And then if it was fixed or not. So the one I'll focus on just for this demo is the YouTube requested format is not available error. I'm sure some of us have seen this error, or you've uploaded a YouTube video and it failed. Maybe you weren't sure exactly why. There's a chance that it was actually this error right here. And the main reason, well, actually, I think there are actually two hypotheses of why this was happening. The first one was that YouTube might be throttling our backend system, which is listed here. So I don't know too much about how that specifically works, but throttling would basically be that they wouldn't allow us to get the YouTube like file from them if we were requesting too much. So that's one possible reason for the error, which I don't think we have too much control over that. The other one was that we were requesting the format in the parameters from YouTube. So requesting like an MP4 of the video when we're actually trying to get the video. And apparently that can cause some problems. So I'll go over to the code really quickly. Here's the PR that addressed the processing errors. And you can see here, this line was removed because it's kind of highlighted in red right here. So it was removed. And you can see we have extension MP4 listed as one of the parameters. So apparently removing this should help with a lot of those errors. I assume we still get an MP4 back, but maybe just specifying it, just cause some of those errors. I'm not 100% sure why. And I don't think Parker's on yet to exactly.
I just joined.
Yeah. Oh, cool. Hey, Parker.
Yeah,
so my
this was a
understanding.
holdover from, we used to download the whole video and then like extract the audio from that, but now we just get the transcript. And so this was like unnecessary to be requesting a specific video format because we're really just asking for the text back. So we were like unnecessarily narrowing the scope.
Awesome. Yeah, so I think, that's probably the one, just the error that I'm going to share for this this demo. But thanks, Parker, for all your hard work on this, because it's I'm sure it's going to be amazing when we can just drop files and they work 99.99% of the time. So
yeah, so I reached out to Erica in the product copy channel. There might be something in this document about it. There's somewhere that I documented this. So there, for some of the valid errors, if you scroll down on this table, there are some that are marked as like, it should fail in these cases. Like if there's a YouTube video with no transcript or it's a blank text file or something. And so Erica gave me some great copy to use in those cases. So I think that should be live on staging now. So in those cases, there will be a more specific error message that actually says like why it failed, rather than just saying this failed. So it should cover those most common like valid errors.
Parker, that's awesome. It's an exact example of what I was just asking for. Very high leverage way to approach that.